Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the Tetris play-along. If you haven't, take a second and subscribe to the channel because this is a different channel than the uke play-along channel. In today's video, I'll be playing two different ukuleles. The first ukulele is my Koaloha concert ukulele, made of solid koa. And the other ukulele is my mainland cedar and rosewood baritone ukulele. The song we know as the Tetris theme song is actually a Russian folk song known as Korobeniki, which is based off of a poem by Nekrasov, the Russian poet, romantic poet, and it's a story about a traveling salesman who is in love with a young girl, and they go off on the corner and share a kiss, and he tries to give her his wares in exchange for more attention, and she says, "No, but I will take this ring from you." And so she takes a green ring from him, and he then promises to come back and marry her. And as with all romantic literature, the ending is not good, but that's where the actual song Korobeniki ends. There are only 4 chords used in the song. Let's take a look at them, both on GCEA, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, and then also on DGBE baritone ukulele. We'll start with the GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor tuning. The first chord you'll need is A minor. The second finger will go on the 4th string, 2nd fret. The second chord is the E7 chord. You'll put your first finger on the 4th string, 1st fret, second finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and third finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. That's the E7 chord. The next chord you'll need is the D minor chord. First finger will go on the 2nd string, 1st fret, second finger will go on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and the third finger will go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. That's the D minor chord. And the last chord you'll need is the C chord. Your ring finger, or the 3rd finger, will go on the 1st string, 3rd fret, C chord. On the baritone ukulele, the first chord is the A minor chord. The first finger will go on the 2nd string, 1st fret, second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and third finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. The second chord you'll need is the E7 chord. It's simply one finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. The third chord you'll need is the D minor chord. First finger will go on the 1st string, 1st fret. Second finger will go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and third finger will go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That's the D minor chord. And the last chord you'll need is the C chord. What we'll do is put the first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and that's the C chord. The strumming pattern is pretty easy for this song. Each chord lasts 1 measure, and what I would do is to follow this pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'll put the sequence up here and up here for the first 8 measures of the song, which are repeated a couple of times. Here we go. Let's start off in the E7. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to make things a little more interesting, the technique I'd like to throw at you today is the Rasqueado strum. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to strum with all 4 fingers at one time, which gives that really kind of neat effect. You just run it over the strings in the spot that you normally strum. Let's put the Rasqueado strum on the 2nd beat of every measure. So it's going to be down, Rasqueado strum, up, down, up for every measure. Let's try that slowly. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, Rasqueado up, down, down, down. that gives you something else to do on a song that might be a little simplistic and yet another challenge to make things a little harder. That should be all you need to be successful on the Tetris theme song play-along. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and as always, remember, ukulele, it's all about you.